In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now, to take a photo and add it within Messages app, operate Camera section at the top. Snap a picture, and once you do, it will be automatically attached to your message. If you wish to add already existing photos, click on the same icon, but this time hold this line and drag it up. Now tap on all of your photos you wanna attach, and when you're ready, hit done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!